let's do some exercises again, guys. Ayan, every morning, guys, I'm doing exercises like this because I want to bigger my legs and I want to bigger my hips here, guys. And then I want to flat my belly. So this kind of exercise I'm doing, guys, every day, guys, to maintain my body figure. Ayan, to maintain my body figure, guys. And look, my hips become, my hips become bigger. Ayan, and my abs. I have abs here, look. Ayan, a little, a little, belly pa, guys. So, I need to flat my belly. So, I make this every day. I make this every day, guys. Ayan, to maintain my body figure. To maintain my body figure, guys. Ayan, and I can see that, ayan, my body become fit now. And my legs become bigger. Ayan, become bigger, guys. So, look. And, guys, my shoulder, ayan. I want to fit my shoulder. Ayan. So, ayan. I need to do this. I need to do this every day, guys. So, I count 1 to 100. This one, guys, I count 1 to 20 every day. I feel tired, but I need to do this. And then this one, guys, I need to flat my stomach, my belly. So I need to do this like this. And I need to fit my shoulder. So this is my daily routine, guys. My daily exercises. Very easy lang siya, guys. Very easy to maintain my body figure. Just doing like this every day. Just doing like this every day, guys. Ayan. Look. My hips become, guys. My hips become bigger here on my butt. This is my simple way of exercises. Ayan. Workout at home. Only mild exercise, guys. Only this because only my tummy, only my belly, guys, I need to flat. Ayan. That's my problem. My belly. I need to flat. And then, charan! This one can flat my belly, guys. Ayan. Medyo nangalay na nga ako, guys. Ayan. My daily exercises. Oh my God. Ang bilis ko mangalay. So, ayan. Ayan lang. My daily routine. Just doing like this every day. I feel so hot. I feel so happy, guys. Ayan. My stress reliever. Doing exercises every day. So, ayan. That's it for today, guys. I'm finished. I'm finished my daily exercise. So, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy my videos.